Most people think getting a loan in Kenya is not easy, but it really comes down to understanding the type of financial for your needs. From personal to business loans, banks don't work all the same, and choosing the wrong one can cost you time and money. On this video, I'll break down common types of bank financial decisions, whether you're starting a business or expanding or just managing your personal needs. Number one, we have working capital / overdraft / revolving facilities. This is a short-term loan that will help you to keep your day-to-day operations going. One is meeting seasonal demands, paying suppliers, handling cash flow shortages, and restocking inventory. This kind of financing, normally it is often structured as overdraft in your business account, and therefore you borrow, you pay, borrow again, you pay, and it goes on and on and on. And this kind of financing is good for businesses with fluctuating cash flow. Number two, we have business loans. These are lump sum loan paid in installment over a period of time for specific purpose. This can include expansion, paying suppliers, purchase of equipment, stocking your business. The third one, we have asset financing. If your business needs a machinery or any equipment, these asset financing organizations allows you to acquire this kind of asset without paying a full upfront cost, and normally the equipment acts as the security. Example of these companies were to credit, Mogo. So the fourth one, you have stock / inventory / supply chain loans. So in this case, some banks are specialized in financing businesses either to purchase stock or to import products or goods. They do it by either advancing the money or paying the supply chain. The fifth one, we have the commercial mortgages or property construction loans. They are long-term loans used when you want to build a premise or a house or a shop, a warehouse, all that. Don't rush into borrowing. Understanding your options is the best and is the first stepping into smart financial decisions. If this helped, please subscribe for clear breakdown that make finance simple and practical.